Let's create our first form now. Think about what questions you would like to add to your first form. You can choose from questions and answers, multiple choice, or document uploads. For this example, we are going to create an intake form for a new small business customer. Click on the Custom Form Builder tab, then click Add Questions. Click the Question and Answer button. Question and Answer 1. What is the name of your business? Click Create Question. Question and Answer 2. How many employees do you have? Click Create Question. Question 3 will be multiple choice. What is your business type? Sole proprietorship, LLC, C Corp, or S Corp. Select the multiple choice option, then enter your questions followed by the answer options. Select the option to allow more than one selection if desired. Then click the Create Question button. The next question will be a document request, so click the Upload Documents button. Enter the document you want to request. I will enter, please upload your driver's license. Then click Create. The customer will be able to upload a file in the form section. Okay, now that we have a few questions, let's create our form. Click Create Form. Here you will see all the questions we created. This is your question bank, where you can use any questions to create new forms for a different customer type. Let's give our form a name. Enter the form name at the top, then select the questions and documents in the order that you want them to appear on the form. Then click Create Form. Go to the View Forms section, and you will see your newly created form here. You can add and remove questions using the Edit button. Now, since this is going to be our most popular form type, we are going to have it automatically sent with the appointment approval. Click on the Services menu. Under Services, select Edit next to your service. Here you can automate several things. From the Select Questionnaire drop-down, choose your form. If you offer virtual appointments, then here you can set a video meeting link to be sent with the approved appointment. In this section, you can choose to have your appointment requests automatically approved. Once you have made your selections, click Save Changes. Now let's create a new appointment on the customer app and follow this process from both the customer and the professional. After creating the appointment, go to your professional dashboard and click on the appointments calendar. In the Select Questionnaire drop-down, you will see your custom forms. Select the form, then toggle the Send Video Invite switch. Next, click the Approve button. Then, yes, approve. The custom form and video link will be sent to your customer. You can answer the questions, but for the purposes of this video, we have already done that. Okay, now we have sent a custom form with a document request. Let's see where you can find this customer information once it's received. Go back to your appointments calendar and click on the upcoming appointment. Here you will see the completed form along with the uploaded documents. By clicking on a document, it will instantly be downloaded. Your video meeting link will also be posted here. Please note that the video meeting links do not appear until 10 minutes before the scheduled meeting time. Your customer will also have the meeting link available on the app. Be sure to mark the appointment as completed at the end of the session.